In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wix website URL. Whether you're finalizing your design or ready to share your site with the world, knowing where to locate your URL is essential. So, let's get started on this simple but crucial step. Begin by navigating to the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the editor. The editor is where you make all your design changes and adjustments to prepare your site for publishing. It acts as the control room of your website, giving you full control over the site's appearance and functionality. Once you have the editor open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice that it includes a toolbar on the left-hand side, which is your go-to resource for site editing tools, including text, media, and interactive elements. But for finding your website URL, your focus will shift towards the top right corner of the screen. Direct your attention to the Publish button in the top right corner. This button is essential as it allows you to save and publish your changes online. Hover your mouse over this button, and you'll see additional options appear, including View Site. This option is the gateway to viewing your live website as it stands after your latest edits. Click on View Site to proceed. By doing this, a new tab will open in your browser, displaying the live version of your website. And here comes the key part. The URL that appears in the address bar of your browser is your Wix website URL. This is the link you can share with others or use to promote your site, and it's unique to your specific website, just like a digital address directing visitors to your content. At this point, it's a good idea to copy the URL directly from the address bar. You can then paste it wherever you need, be it a social media platform, an email, or a printed flyer. Keeping your URL handy makes it easy to direct people to your site and ensures they don't land somewhere unintended. If you make further changes to your site in the Wix editor and publish them, you can always return to this process to confirm that your URL remains unchanged. Consistency is important, especially when sharing your site with an audience. That's all there is to it. You've successfully located your Wix website URL. With this address in hand, you're ready to share your creation with the world. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to explore our other videos for more Wix tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.